What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about credit card redelivery. So from the word itself, redelivery. So paano nga ba mag-request guys ng credit card redelivery? When we say redelivery guys, like for example, si credit card ninyo, yung in-apply ninyong credit card, is hindi successfully delivered sa bahay ninyo. Ngayon, magre-request kayo for a credit card redelivery para at least i-deliver ulit sa inyo yung credit card na yon. Kasi minsan, tatamad-tamad yung mga riders. Hindi din-deliver sa bahay ninyo, totoo yan. Basta lang sasabihin na, okay, return to sender, address is not being located, tapos person is not in the residence, parang ganyan. At saka magbibigay na rin ako guys ng tips para sure na makarating sa inyo yung credit card ninyo. Para hindi nyo na kailangan mag-request ng credit card redelivery para sure na ma-obtain ninyo agad or makuha yung credit card na yon. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa akong isi-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, to request a Philippine credit card redelivery, use the bank's dedicated online forms. Reply to the courier SMS notification or call the 24/7 hotline. Key banks like PDO offer an online card redelivery form, while Security Bank allows redelivery request via SMS or by calling 02-888-79188. So ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin nito guys? Isa-isahin natin. To request for a Philippine credit card redelivery, use the bank's dedicated online forms. So ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin? Sa bawat bangko kasi guys, kung anong bangko man yan, kahit anong bangko man yan yung in-apply ninyo ng credit card, may kanya-kanya silang dedicated online forms. BDO online or customer service hotline number. Reply to the courier SMS notification. So like for example guys, si rider, nag-text sa inyo na okay, may darating na credit card sa inyo. Make sure na makareply kayo sa kanila or masagot ninyo yung tawag nila if ever. Kasi kapag hindi kayo sumagot, yun lang. Mahihirapan silang malocate yung address mo. Malalong-lalo na kung yung address mo is hindi mabilis mahanap. Or call the 24/7 hotline. Pwede kayong tumawag sa customer service hotline para mag-request ng redelivery kapag hindi na i-deliver ng maayos ni rider yung credit card ninyo. Key banks like BDO offer an online redelivery form, while Security Bank allows redelivery request via SMS or by calling 02-888-79188. So si BDO guys, is pwede kayo mag-request via online ng redelivery kasi may website sila which is punta lang kayo sa BDO official website or hanapin ninyo sa Google yung BDO credit card redelivery form. Tapos i-fill out nyo doon yung redelivery address if ever na yung address niyo is hindi updated, pwede doon. Pagdating naman sa Security Bank, guys, if ever na Security Bank yung credit card na yun, tumawag na lang kayo sa official hotline number nila which is yung 02-888-79188. Actually, guys, ganun din si BDO. Pwede rin naman kayo tumawag sa official hotline number nila para mag-request ng credit card redelivery. Which is yung 488-440 sa BDO yun. How to request redelivery by bank? So ngayon, pag-uusapan natin guys, paano nga ba mag-request ng redelivery sa credit card ninyo. Ngayon, kung BDO yung credit card na yon, fill out the credit card redelivery form on their website with your last name, first name, middle name, tracking number, and complete address. So kapag BDO credit card yun guys, pwede kayo mag-request ng redelivery via online. May fill out kayong form doon, lalagay ninyo sa website nila, sa form na yon yung last name ninyo, yung first name, tsaka middle name. And then of course, yung tracking number, which is yung reference number na sinasabi. And then of course, yung complete address kung saan ipapadeliver yung credit card. Lalo-lalo na minsan kung hindi updated yung address ninyo, double check nyo lang guys, like for example, hindi dumating yung credit card. So baka iba yung address na naka-register doon. Malay mo matagal nang hindi mo na-update. So, ang gawin mo is mag-fill out kayo ng form for redelivery sa BDO website. Security Bank. Reply to the text message notification sent to your registered mobile number. Fill out the online credit card redelivery form or call their hotline 24/7. So ito guys, take note lang talaga, text message, di ba? So kapag nag-apply kayo ng credit card, make sure na active yung mobile number na yun. Lalong-lalo na rin yung email, of course. Actually, lahat yan, yung dalawang yan. Kapag hiningan kayo ng another mobile number, make sure na active din yon. Kasi kapag hindi kayo na-contact sa isang number, tatawag sila sa another mobile number na binigay ninyo. Para smooth lang yung delivery, guys. BPI. Ngayon, kung BPI naman yung credit card na yon, call the 24-hour BPI Contact Center at 632-889-1000. Actually, guys, lahat naman ng bangko, pwede niyong tawagan yung official hotline number nila. Lahat ng bank, actually, kahit anong credit card yan. East, West, DBP, Metrobank, ganyan. Para mag-request ng redelivery ng credit card ninyo. At para na rin makapagpa-update kayo ng address ninyo or delivery address. Union Bank. Use the Rafa chatbot on the website or Facebook Messenger to report a problem. So sa Union Bank naman, guys, halimbawa, Union Bank yung credit card na yan, make sure to open or report the messenger. Like for example, di ba may Union Bank? So punta kayo sa messenger, report ninyo guys yung problema ninyo. Ngayon, pag-uusapan natin guys yung successful delivery. So ano nga ba yung tips? Ibibigay kong tips para at least maging successful yung credit card delivery ninyo. Hindi na nyo na kailangan mag-request ng redelivery. Kasi ngayon, naghahanap kayo ng redelivery. Ngayon, para hindi nyo na kailangan mag-request ng redelivery, para successfully deliver talaga sa bahay ninyo, ito yung dapat nyo gawin. Una is be specific. Include landmarks in your address to aid the courier. So, kapag nagpa-deliver kayo, make sure na lagyan ng specific address. Landmarks, of course. Para mas mabilis malocate yung address ninyo. Provide authorization. If you cannot receive it personally, prepare an authorization letter, valid ID, a photocopy of your ID for a representative. Halimbawa, aalis kayo ng bahay, so may maiiwan lang doon. Mag-iwan kayo ng authorization letter. And of course, yung valid ID ninyo, yung signature. Dapat yung signature doon is magmamatch doon sa authorization letter para ibigay ni rider yung credit card ninyo. Courier notification. Look for an SMS from the courier. Example is LBC. For an option to pick up the card from their branch instead. So ngayon, kung LBC yan guys, pwede kayo makausapin yung LBC na sa branch na lang nila. Yung for example, parang hub. Yung tinutukoy ko is yung delivery hub. Like for example, kung sa probinsya, so lahat ng LBC is may delivery hub kung saan doon binabagsak lahat ng parcels. Mapa-credit card man yan o paano. Request na lang kayo na i-pick up nyo na lang doon sa drop-off point. Drop-off point para mas mabilis yung makuha. Delivery usually takes 5 to 10 working days, with options to change the address if the first attempt fails. So like for example, yung first attempt is na failed. Yung lahat na, hindi talaga dumating, mag-return to sender. So ngayon, it's time to check baka yung address nyo guys is hindi na tama. Malay mo, lumipat pala kayo or mali yung nalagay yung address nung nag-open kayo ng savings account. May mga ganong case kasi na hindi nyo napapansin, iba na pala yung address. Tumawag kayo sa official contact center, sa mobile number, sa hotline number, para i-check yung address ninyo. Ngayon kung mali, so it's time to change your delivery address. Kaya naman guys, when it comes to credit card delivery, dapat aware kayo na dapat yung address nyo is tama talaga. Kasi pag yung address nyo is hindi talaga nagmamatch, hindi talaga darating yung credit card sa bahay ninyo. Kaya naman dapat aware kayo na kapag nag-apply kayo ng credit card, make sure lang guys na ma-check ninyo yung address na ito lahat ay tama para smooth lang yung delivery. So I think that's all for now. Sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!